Did you know that vitamin C cannot be stored in your body? As it is a water soluble vitamin, how much ever you consume, the surplus will be eliminated by your kidneys via urine. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid is well known for its role in supporting a healthy immune system. Hi, this is Ashish, and today from my channel Active Ash, we will talk about vitamin C and especially about Neutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus. Awareness about vitamin C and its demand has gone up significantly high, especially in recent times. Apart from immunity, vitamin C plays a key role in many other functions of our body. It helps our body to produce collagen. It is a key protein in skin that promotes wound healing. Our adrenal glands plays a key role in our body's response to stress. These glands use a significant amount of vitamin C each time a stress response gets triggered. Vitamin C is also a key vitamin required for iron absorption. The key sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits, tomatoes, strawberries, green and red bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kiwi fruits, among others. Since vitamin C gets flushed out of our body in every 2 hours and even more frequently for people with diabetic condition, we need to consume vitamin C throughout the day, which may become a bit annoying and time consuming. Even over-the-counter vitamin C supplements are mostly synthetic and loaded with artificial color, flavor and preservatives. Neutralite has come up with perfect solution to this. Not only is it made up with natural and the best sources of vitamin C, but also contains extended release formula to ensure that just one tablet a day keeps giving our body a steady supply of vitamin C for 8 hours. Neutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus contains plant-based sources like acerola cherries, one of the nature's most concentrated forms of vitamin C, grown in Neutralite's own organic farms. A daily serving of one Neutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus tablet provides 400 mg of vitamin C, equivalent to 9 oranges or 8 lemons. It does not contain any artificial flavors, colors, preservatives, or sweeteners, and it's 100% vegetarian. All of these features makes Neutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus the perfect go-to health supplement that you and your family needs for their daily immunity. It helps support your immune system all day long, reducing the duration of cough and colds, cutting down stress-related oxidants, and promoting the growth of collagen-producing cells. This demonstration will show you how the extended release formula can protect you all day long. I have taken plain water in 2 glasses, signifying our body. Now let's add betadine solution to both of them to represent the toxins. Now, in 1 glass, I will squeeze half a lemon, which represents our body when we take vitamin C rich food. It neutralizes the toxins. Let's add 1 tablet of Neutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus into the other glass. This also neutralizes the toxins. Now, let's add betadine again to both the glasses. You can clearly see that Neutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus can protect you all day long. 1 tablet can be taken post breakfast to provide defense for the whole day. You can message me on my number mentioned below for any info on this product or immunity in general. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.